St. Pete was named one of the best places to travel in 2023, and here's how you're going to spend the perfect weekend here. We're grabbing a small breakfast at the Grove to fuel for our morning adventure at Shell Key Preserve. You're going to paddle through mangrove tunnels. We saw jellyfish and dolphins and some of the most beautiful shells. Bring your swimsuit if you want to swim in the clear blue water. You're going to work up an appetite on the kayaks, so we're going to grab lunch at Uncle Fun's. They change their menu every Wednesday. I got the shrimp salad and the peach and brie sandwich. It was so good. Spend some time on the beach or freshen up at the hotel and rest before heading north to go to Clearwater. We're heading on a dolphin tour. This is such an incredible way to see dolphins up close and in their natural habitat. The dolphin tour is going to take about an hour, and then we're going to grab dinner at Palm Pavilion, which is right on Clearwater Beach. The key lime pie and the scallops are delicious. It's a great spot for sunset. Day 2, we're heading to Fort DeSoto Park to bike. This is a great way to explore the fort, and if you're going during the week, you're basically gonna have this place all to yourself. Grab your sunscreen and spend some time on the beach because you're never gonna get sick of it. Next, we're gonna freshen up and head downtown St. Pete. Grab lunch at Trophy Fish. They support local fishermen and take pride in providing the freshest fish, so the menu changes daily. The afternoons get hot, so we're gonna beat the heat and check out Fairgrounds, which is a funky immersive art experience. Be sure to check out all the incredible street art and murals around the Edge District as well. If you need a little afternoon pick-me-up, grab a coffee or tea at Paradeco Coffee. If you're up for it, check out the Dolly Museum as well. This is such a beautiful museum right on the water. If you're up for staying in St. Pete, go explore downtown on Central Ave. There are so many fun restaurants and shops. I'll share some of my favorites in the comments. Grab dinner downtown or head back to your hotel and go to Coconut Charlie's and watch sunset on the beach. The Brussels sprouts here are amazing. There's still so much you can do. I'll add some more recommendations in the comments.